Are you having cough?
Fine.
Okay, that's good. Did you take your medicine? Okay. Teacher will now share her screen, okay? Okay. This is where okay, did we discuss this already, Hannah? No? How
Front.
about this one? These are zebras, right?
Front.
Yeah, that's good. How about this one? What are this? What is this? Kangaroo. Very good. How about this one? Can you read this? Very good. How about this one? These are called polar bears. Can you say that? Oh yeah, they swim. Swim. How about this one? These
Black.
are elephants. Yes, and they
Black.
can walk.
Black.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, drink your water first. Okay. Okay. So now, because you've already, can you speak again? Okay. When teacher says, what animal is this? And I point this one. Can, for example, can zebras run? If yes, you can say, yes, they can. And if they cannot run, you say, no, they can't. Okay? Okay, how about this one here? Elephants. Can they run?
And
Can they
run.
run? Can they run?
Run.
How about hop? Can they jump? Okay, how about swim? Can the elephant swim? How about walking? Okay, how about
Yeah.
zebras? Yeah, that's right. How about zebras? Can they run? Yes, right? How about hop? Can they jump? No, right? Hmm. How about swim? Can they swim? That's good. How about walk? Can they walk? Very good. How about the penguins? Can they run? No, right? Because they have two legs only, okay? How about hop? They can jump, right? How about swim? How about walk? Yeah, thank you. How about the bears? Can they run? How about hop? Can they hop? Can they hop? No? Okay. How about swim? Can they swim? Swim. Very good. How about walk? Can the bears walk? Okay. Okay, teacher will let you see a bear. Yeah, these are bears.
Bear.
They can walk, right? Okay. The bears can walk. How about the kangaroos? Can they run? Okay. How about hop?
Yeah.
Very good. How about swim?
Yeah.
Very good. How about walk? They can walk?
Yeah. No.
How about this one? Can they walk?
No.
Oh,
No.
wait.
Walk.
Okay. Okay, very
Yeah.
good. How about the snakes? How about the snakes? Can they run? How about hop? Can they hop? Can they jump?
No.
How about swim?
No.
How about walk? Can the snake walk?
No. Walk.
Very good. So, because you got it all correctly, teacher will give you 6 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! Very good, Hannah. Keep it up, okay? How
Okay.
about how about this one? Can you help teacher to
Yeah.
put a circle? For example, the snake can swim, right? So we put circle around swim, the word swim. So how about the bear? What can they do?
Wow.
Okay, you put a circle around walk. What else?
Walk.
Walk and what else? This one.
Run.
How about this one? The penguin. What can they do? Very good, you got it all correctly. How about penguin? What can the penguin do? Okay, you put a circle around walk. Okay, very good. And what else? Very good. You're so smart. That's good. So now we'll move on to kangaroos. How about the kangaroos? What can they do?
Hands in the top.
Okay, what else? What else can they do? Look at this. Look at the picture here. What does kangaroo can do? Okay, you put a circle around those words. The kangaroos can, what can they do? Swim and hop. Okay, very good. How about the elephants? It can the elephants walk? Very good. How about hop? Can they hop?
No, no, no. Hop.
Okay, very good. How about the zebras? Can the ze what can't they do? Can they hop? Okay, can they run? Can
Run.
they?
Walk. Win.
Very good. So you got it all correctly again. So teacher will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So, because you got it all correctly again. Wait, teacher will like do this. Hmm. Wait, I'm going to. Can teacher do? Okay. Can you hear it? Okay. So teacher will ask you this. What can you see here? So, can you help teacher choose the answers here in the choices and fill in the blank here? Can you redo that?
Seven.
What can you see? What are these? These are this one. Very good. How about this one? Can you see a frog? Is there a frog here? Yes, I can. Okay, it's the letter F, okay? How about where are the monkeys? Where are the monkeys? They are, what do you call this one? Very good. So it's letter A there in the tree. So can elephants walk? Very good. So I can jump rope, but he put an X on the kite. The answer is this one. Very good. How about this one? Where is the kangaroo? This one? Can you say it's on the hill? Very good. So because you know that already, we're going to proceed to another page. Okay, Hannah, what is this? This one, what is this? How about this one? This one, what is this? Very good. What's the first letter? How about this one? What letter is that? Letter? Very good. How about this one here? What is this?
Red.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. What's the first letter?
Van. Red.
What's
It's
the
a
first
V.
letter of the word van? Van. Okay. What's the sound of V? V, v, v.
The V.
Okay, very good. How about this one? What is this? This is
Thunder.
very good. So, what's the first letter of the word sun?
Sun.
Yeah, what's the first letter? Letter. Say very good. How about this one? That's cute. How about this one? Zip. Okay. How about this one? Very good. Okay, what's the first letter of the word zap?
It's a Y.
Are you sure this is the first letter? Very good. How about this one? What is this?
Right.
Very good. What's the first letter?
It's a yeah, yeah.
It's letter R.
It's a R.
Very good. How about this one? Can you read this, Hannah?
Run,
Very good. Rug. Can you say rug?
rock,
Very good. How about this one? What do you call this one? Can you read this?
it's
Lip. Okay. What's the first letter?
a
L.
L. It's a L.
Okay. Very good. How about this one? What is this?
Long, long,
Log. Can you say log?
long.
Very good. So what's the first letter?
It's a L.
Very good. So because you know the first letters of these words, we will answer an activity, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So can you put circles around the first letter of each picture shown here?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to answer. Can we do that? Okay, I will let you guess the answers. And let's correct that after, okay? I will give you time. Here, what's the first letter here? What is this?
No. Oh, and okay. Oh,
Can you put circle? Very good. How about this one? What is this?
well,
Okay, you're cutting in and out. I cannot.
long,
Done? Okay, it's not. Are you done?
yes,
Where are the circle?
first,
I cannot see the circle. Okay, here, what is the first letter?
yes, for N,
Very good. How about this one?
yes, for S,
How about this one? What is this? I will give you a clue.
for S, yes,
Are you
for
sure?
long. Oh,
Okay.
no, no, no.
Okay, I'll give you time to correct your answer. I'm just going to
Three. One.
update the last count. Are you sure what is this? This is six. The of the word six is okay. That's good. How about this one here? That's okay. How about this one? Let's not so that you will not be stressed. What's the first letter of this word? This is it's okay. S, okay. How about this one? What is this? This is called Zap,
Three.
right? So what's the beginning letter of the word Zap?
Five.
Yeah, what's the beginning letter?
Extra.
Letter? What's the first letter here in the word Zap? It's letter.
Five.
Yeah, what's the first letter? Letter Z. Okay? It's okay. We're almost finished so that you could rest. I know you're tired and you're not feeling good. Okay? Thank you very much, Hannah. You can rest. Yeah, that's good. Oh, what is this? Okay, very good. That's so good.
Long. Five. One. One.
That's
Six.
good.
Five.
Okay, because I will. Yeah, that's good. I will give you extra stars because you've been very good. Okay, this is another bonus. I give you heart. We're almost done. You can rest, okay? You look tired. Your eyes are very tired. How about this one? This is
Arm.
okay, this one. Arm.
Arm.
This is called arm, okay? How about this one? Where is the
Hand.
hand?
In your hand.
How about finger?
One. One finger. Two fingers. Two fingers.
This one.
One finger.
This one.
Two
How about this one? This is
fingers.
yeah. This one. What is this? Yeah. Okay, how about this one?
Paw.
Can you say foot?
Foot.
Very good. How about this one?
Paw.
Can you say toe?
Toe.
Very good. Because you're very good. We're going to point the body parts, okay? What is this? This is, what do you call this one? This is your This one. What do you call this one? Okay, let's finger. It's the tip. This one. What do you call this one? Okay, very good. How about this one? This one. This is very good. How about this one? This one here. Very good. How about this one? This is very good. How about this one? Foot. How about this one? Very good. Okay, we're already done. So, if I'm going, I'm showing you one arm, right? So if it becomes two, it will become arms. Okay, you add s. Okay, like this. Hand, hand become hands. Okay, finger become fingers. Leg become that's drumstick. The leg becomes legs, okay? And foot becomes feet. And toe becomes toes, okay? How about this one? This one, this is where arms. You say arms. How about this one? This one. This is called feet. Can you say feet? Very good. How about this one? This is toes. How about this one? It's only one. It's toe. How about this one? This is hands. Can you say hands with S, okay? How about this one? This is hand. Can you say hand? Very good. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Like that, right? So, we're going to end here, okay? Tonight? So that you could rest early, okay? Do you have any question? No? Okay. Looks like you're done talking, so okay. So, did you learn anything new today? Did you enjoy our class today? Okay. Okay, you get better, okay? You rest early so that you could become beautiful, more beautiful, okay? Good night, Hannah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Rest well. Bye-bye.